How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be installing this carbon fiber spoiler onto this BMW M235i. Very basic, simple mod to do. Definitely helps the car look a lot more sportier. But basically all we really need is some fishing line or maybe some sort of string, but I'd recommend fishing line because it's really strong and you can cut through the old spoiler if you have an old spoiler. In my case, this car has an old spoiler onto it, so we have to remove it by removing the old double-sided tape from the old wing. As you can see, we're cutting right through it like butter. The spoiler should come out pretty easily once the whole thing is removed. To remove the old tape residue, you will need one of these wheels that is meant to remove residue like so. This is how it's looking. We don't have to make it perfect because the wing is going to go on top, but this is how it's basically working. Wipe this thing down, make sure no more dust is here, or else it's not going to grab too good. We're just going to present it right here, see how the fitment is. And fitment is almost, it's pretty perfect. This fitment is perfect, to be honest. It sits right where it's supposed to be, right on the lines. Yeah, the fitment is perfect. Now we just put tape right here. Tape is gonna go over here. Should be good to go. Here we go. Time for the moment of truth. I'm gonna line it up over here first. We went from this little spoiler to now this carbon one. It fit perfectly. The sides are perfect. You can see pretty even, flush with the lines. Overall, I thought it might have been too big, but I think it suits the car pretty decent. All it needs now is a diffuser, I would think, and I'll be good to go.